Hi everyone, in this video, we will take you step by step on how to replace the printhead in your Prestige A3+ printer. The printhead will need to be replaced if your printhead has any damage, like scratches or dents. Replacing the printhead should only be done as an as-needed basis. The equipment you need to perform the printhead replacement are a new printhead, plastic gloves, and a magnetized screwdriver. You will need to have the printer turned off. Then open the top portion of your printer to access the printhead. Then you will need to disengage the printer carriage. You would do this by locating this wheel and this lock called the CR lock. Turn the wheel towards the front of the printer. This will move the capping station down as well as unlock the printhead. Turn the wheel until you hear a click. The printhead is disengaged but will not move completely because of the CR lock. Simply press down with one hand and with the other move the printhead. Now go ahead and remove the ink damper so that there is space to remove the printhead. Place the dampers in a plastic glove to avoid any ink spill. After the dampers are off and in a safe spot, you will see 3 screws holding the printhead in place. Using a magnetic screwdriver, you will remove these 3 screws. After the screws have been removed, you will be able to carefully pull up the printhead. To fully free the printhead, you will need to disconnect these 2 cables. First, run your finger under the smaller cable, and once fully gripped, pull the cable straight so that the teeth do not bend. Place a glove under the cables so that the cables are protected from the ink. Now grip the second cable, which is the larger one, and pull the cable straight so that the teeth do not bend. After you have removed the cables, you will need to inspect them to make sure that they are in good condition, so that they do not create damage to the new printhead. Make sure that you do not touch the connectors with your fingers. The oils of your hands could damage the cable. Now you may grab your new printhead and take it out of the box. Slowly take the printhead out and carefully remove the casing around it. While grabbing the printhead, make sure to only grab it from the sides. You do not want to touch the cable area, nor the top or bottom part of where the nozzles belong. Now we will connect the new printhead by connecting the cable in reverse order from how we removed them. Grab the bigger cable. These connections are sensitive, so you want to first line up the connection, and at the same time push all the teeth in only once you are sure that they are correctly inserted in the printhead. Now grab the smaller cable and do the same thing with its connection. Now, with the connections inserted, carefully turn the printhead over and place it in the same spot where the older one was in. Once inserted, correctly take your 3 screws and secure it. Because the threads are plastic, you will need to be careful when screwing in the screws. You will first screw counterclockwise. Once you hear the click and you know that the screw is correctly in the thread, go ahead and screw clockwise and secure it. Once you are done with the screws, you will now need to reattach the ink dampers. Once the ink dampers are correctly in their spots, slide the printer carriage back and press down on CR lock to secure it into position. and then rotate the wheel towards the back of the printer to lock it in place. Once the carriage is secured, you will now turn the printer on. And perform 2 head cleanings back to back. After you are done with the head cleanings, perform a nozzle check to ensure that all the nozzles are firing and that your new printhead is working fine. Once you ensure the printhead is working fine, you are done with the printhead replacement. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.